Hello, Steve. Hello, Leon. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. How are you? A moment. I am setting this one. Happy New Year. Ano to? Shamrock AM. Hello. 8:33 p.m. here. Here it's 9:33 p.m. in Spain. So I am going to have my dinner now. So guys, I will just let this one running. So thank you so much for your support, guys. 9 p.m. here and where I am. It's 9:33 p.m. here, Leon. 9:34 now. Steve, how are you? I'm happy to be here. We are here in my father-in-law's house. We are celebrating New Year here. I still have to wait a while before it's 2026. So here we are. So I will just let this run, guys. Thank you so much for your support. So you see here, we have here our... I'm gonna record fireworks in 10 p.m. Okay, Leon. Because I'm I'm from a different timeline. Yes, that's true. So wait a moment. I am setting this one. A moment. So here we are. I thank you, Steve. Now you see my face because I don't usually show my face during my live stream. And now you see how fat I am. Sorry. Leo, I think he saw me before. Thank you so much, Steve and Leon. I will just let this one run, guys. And I am going to the dining room. I will just set this one and we are waiting for the New Year's Eve. New Year, I should say 12 midnight. So, thank you so much for your support. Please have a blessed and happy 2026, everyone. Thank you so much. I wish I could super chat you some money, but I don't have a bank account. It's okay, Steve. It's okay. Don't worry, my dear. Your support is enough, you know. I'm very happy that you are here. You always support my live stream. So thank you so much.